Hello, I'm making Ayam Masak Merah for iftar today. The ingredients are simple. I've written it down at the description so you can copy later. Now, first, this one I've mixed the chicken with turmeric and some salt and I fry them. First, as the first step, you need to fry the chicken. There it goes. As you can see, the chicken is half cooked, so I lift it. Now I fry the blend ingredients, which are the onions, ginger and garlic. I add some lemongrass, some chili paste, tomato sauce or chili sauce if you like, and I add about a cup of coconut milk. Stir them nicely and add the chicken to it. Add some sugar, salt. I add a little of chicken stock, chicken seasoning, and then I add some shallots. As I mentioned earlier, here I add the shallots. Mix them well. Let the soup simmer and mix well with the chicken, and then you can enjoy with the rice. Tell you, it's lovely. I forgot to say, I add about a teaspoon of vinegar to balance the taste. Look at that! Look at that! It's thickening. Oh, I can't wait to have this for iftar. My children love this dish. I love it, and you should try it. Happy cooking!